What causes thermostats to fail? Thermostats usually fail because of dead batteries, loose or damaged wiring, dirt, aging parts, power problems, or a fault somewhere else in the heating and cooling system. A thermostat is the control that tells your heating and cooling equipment when to turn on and off. The most common cause of failure is weak batteries, which can make the screen go blank or cause the thermostat to forget its settings. Dust and grime can also collect inside older thermostats and prevent their temperature sensor or switching parts from working correctly. Loose wires may cause random shutdowns, incorrect temperature readings, or no response when you change the setting. A power surge, short circuit, or damaged control board can permanently harm the thermostat. Smart thermostats may fail when their internet connection is lost, but losing the connection usually does not mean the thermostat itself is broken. Some smart models also need a continuous power wire, often called a common wire, and may act strangely if that wire is missing or incorrectly connected. Before replacing the thermostat, turn off power to the system, install fresh batteries if it uses them, gently clean the outside, and check whether the heating or cooling equipment works from its own controls. An important detail many people miss is that a thermostat can appear to fail when the real problem is a clogged filter, tripped circuit breaker, broken furnace part, or disconnected air conditioner power supply. One common mistake is replacing the thermostat before checking the batteries and circuit breakers, so test those first. Another mistake is assuming a wrong temperature reading always means the thermostat is defective, when sunlight, a nearby vent, a draft, or a lamp can warm the sensor, so move nearby heat sources and compare the reading with a separate thermometer. People also remove wires without labeling them, which can create a dangerous or confusing installation, so take a clear picture and shut off power before touching any wiring. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.